Good morning, everybody. For today's adventure, we're going to McArthur. Gonna go pick up a parts truck. Got a good deal. McArthur, California is 2 hours away from where we live, so let's go check that out. What's up, Chente? You ready for today's adventure? Who's here? Introduce everybody.
This is my brother, this is my dad, this is my uncle.
La feria en los puros asientos, güey, la neta.
Y sí.
Pero that's not what we came for. These door panels are clean as fuck too.
Eso yo ocupo. Y esta madre.
Is yours the power?
Ya.
Y también está madreada, ¿sabes?
Sí, también puto más.
Giddy up and go.
Yeah. But it went. Yeah, these don't have a lot. Almost. It is shooting a bunch of fuel in there though, so that's cool.
Let's hope for this. Flood it.
Well, it's not your switch.
Eso lo ocupo.
Está quebrado.
Está más quebrado el mío.
Oh, okay. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just the motor's dragging. I think it's because it's cold.
Yeah.
And if you have a different cam on it too, then it'll drag a little bit more.
Yeah.
So we'll just give it a little bit more. Yeah, I don't remember where the lights come from
Yeah,
for these, but I just unhooked the whole switch and it's still on. So we got somewhere else. Not a big deal. Like I said, we just want the motor.
So, the reason why we're here right now is because we're gonna be picking up a truck that basically will be used for parts for a project truck that we were doing. You've probably seen it with the last video. So like,
What are we taking from it?
like parts.
Came here for what? Mainly the motor?
Yeah.
Because how was the other one sounding?
like a dying. I forgot what was I saying? A dying possum. Basically dying, something that's dying that makes a horrible noise, basically. So, we're going to use this truck's motor.
Heck yeah, we're taking the motor.
These tires are pop, though.
It's alright. It's alright.
Yeah.
But we picked up the project. Getting ready to go home. Maybe pick up McDonald's. I don't know.
Maybe what?
Maybe pick up McDonald's. I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. Slacking on the job.
Are we gonna take it home?
We're putting it
Are we gonna take it home? Let's take it home quick.
No, we're not taking it home. We're putting it right here.
Dad,
Somebody
someone's
just starts
coming.
walking by. What the hell is that?
I want to push it off so bad.
It's just wrong. It just.
Hand balance. There it is.
Can I push it?
I'm gonna try to touch the truck.
Looks like Smokey.
That's plastic.
Ready?
Somebody hit that smoker.
Oh, did you hit that smoker?
Oh!
Whoever hits the smoker gets $5.
Am I included?
Get $5.
Emmy, step a little bit further back though. You're getting too close to the edge.
Yeah, step a little bit back.
Yes!
Someone's coming.
Alright, last one.
That thing gave me a splinter.
No, he literally looked at that.
Ow, ow, ow.
Emmy got a splinter.
Don't pull it, please don't pull it.
Okay, I'm not gonna pull it. I'm not gonna pull it.
Just gotta look at it.
Ow, ow,
Dude, stop.
ow, stop.
I have to pull it. You gotta be careful with what you're doing, okay? That's crazy,
Like, Brad stick I threw it and it's
dude. You can't let stuff slide on your
I think he grabbed a piece of wood.
Why is that piece of wood?
Don't grab
Oh, Chente got it.
Shut there! Last person.
Look at it.
It's a whole. It's a whole. Where the heck does he have the money to get a whole plane? What? Where did he get a plane from? Is that the thing I noticed that? There's like a shape of a plane. I don't even see like the.
Oh, you don't see it?
Oh, dude, look.
I rock too. Oh wait, are they over there?
Oh, yeah, they are over there. There's an LBS. Oh, that is another place. Oh, it's just no me acuerdo. Somebody around here. I used to come fuel up right here.
homie of rolling boxcars.
Southern Command rolling boxcar. Home of rolling boxcar. It is a plane.
Huh. Southern Command.
Oh yeah, I see the.
Dude, do you see what they're gonna do?
No.
They're
Oh,
gonna put it on that bus chassis.
What?
You see the bus chassis?
Oh, what?
What?
I need to get a better video.
Wait, yeah, I see it now.
Hold on guys, hold on.
We're gonna have to ask him what he's doing.
We're gonna check out the website. Hold on, just hold on.
We have to check out the website. Dude, we have to. Dude, I can even see the spot where the wheels were supposed to go.
That's cool. Hold on. It's super muddy. Don't get on the mud. I don't want to eat it. The mud's right there. You can, I think.
We want to live their lives. Oh.
So they're gonna put that plane onto that bus chassis.
So it looks like. Why else would they call it a rolling boxcar?
Stop!
Did you go to the website?
No.
Oh, they are.
Yo, is that like a gremlin?
Yeah, it is. I was
Is that a gremlin?
Oh, dude, it is. It's
That's a straight up gremlin.
Where's the gremlin
good
at?
eyes,
It's right there.
good eyes, Emiliano.
No, I saw that first.
Oh, you showed us smoke.
Do you see it?
The one sitting on top of the pallets, or?
Yeah, it's on top of the.
No,
Yeah.
it's not. It's not on the pallets.
This is.
No,
They're about
I
to...
see a little stick.
Dude, do you think it'd be funny if they start driving? If we eventually
It's
come
a
back here?
C-119 flying boxcar fuselage, repurposed as a traveling Alaska military museum performance venue and mobile classroom. The plan: we have acquired this Fairchild C-119 flying boxcar aircraft in Battle Mountain, Nevada. We removed the wings, tails, engines, and landing gear, and have relocated it to rebuild site in McArthur, California. We will be mounting the fuselage onto an international Amtran school bus chassis with a diesel engine and automatic transmission. The cockpit will remain intact. Once it's mobile, it has been renovated with such upgrades as a new paint scheme, polished aluminum, and nose art. We will drive it to venues like schools, air shows, air races, fairs, VFW, AMVETS, American Legions, VA hospitals, and Veteran Day parades as a traveling coffee bar, soundstage, museum, and mobile classroom, complete with instructor and video interpretation. We will be donating to other nonprofits that promote Alaska veterans and their service to our country.
Sheesh.
So that's what they're gonna do?
That's cool.
They're gonna well, just imagine that thing gets fully built. They take it to Tula Lake Fair.
That would be cool,
That would be
Rolling
crazy.
boxcar.
And they start flying.
That thing looks
Rolling
so
history to the vets who helped
sick.
make it.
Look, come here. Real quick.
Check it out, guys.
If you look at that, it's like highlighted a little.
Yeah.
Wait, I know why there's bumping.
On mud.
I stepped on the mud.
I know why there's bumping. I mean, I know
So this is why I started vlogging,
why there's bumping.
because we come out here to the middle of nowhere, because we live in the middle of nowhere, basically,
Oh, bring the guy out.
and you find cool stuff like that. And other cars that nobody wants to sell.
Oh man.
But one day we'll convince them.
One day they'll sell them.
Nothing.
Wait, this is the gas station?
Yep. Watch your steps, fellas.
Can we buy something?
Yeah, we're gonna go buy something.
Yep.
Uncle Greg, you paying?
Yep.
Hey, wait, I want to buy some stuff. Wait, where's the car? Oh, I'm gonna buy some stuff too.
Where's my wallet?
remember cómo se llamaba este vato.
Price. Money. Prices. Money.
Says
Prices.
lower feed. Lower feed price.
I can't find my wallet.
Okay, come on.
Okay, Chente, I got you.
It's okay.
Got you.
Uncle Greg got
Did you have your wallet? Did
Yeah.
you have your wallet today?
I remember bringing it home.
you. He probably had it. He
Did
probably.
you have all your money in it? That's crazy.
Did you take it out of your pocket?
Did you leave it in the car?
$2.
Are you sure you brought it?
I did.
I watched the video.
Well, you're
In a way, that's
responsible
the
for
same
it.
Where we at, Chente? Where we at? What is this?
The red barn. Too like we're Jeez!
I already said
Yeah,
that.
sucker.
Go. In.
Thank you, sir. See you guys. Guys, have a good one, bud.
Yeah, we'll see ya.
These are so long. Look how long these things are. How much money is that?
$6.
$6.
That's crazy.
Don't buy it. That's gonna be.
I'd have enough to get that. But...
I'll take it.
So I could get 2 of these.
We came here for corn dogs and chicken strips.
Yeah,
I just want some.
well, I'm also just buying
No, we're not.
myself.
We're gonna get a drink.
We're getting a drink and a corn dog.
Come on.
That's the limit.
Kind of sucks how they don't have like any. Oh, yes, they do have some chips. Meatballs.
What are you getting? What are you getting?
I'm gonna get some meatballs. Meatballs.
Can I have a chip?
Cheddar and sour cream.
Can I have a chip?
You guys are gonna go make Uncle Greg go make that.
I'm paying for my stuff.
Okay. Good.
What do you want, Chente?
Oh wait, they do got normal.
You're gonna share though. You know that, right?
With you?
You share with everybody.
He knows he gets taxed.
I'm not sharing with anybody. I'm paying for my stuff.
You're still getting taxed, you know, right?
No, I'm not. Okay, I think I might have spent all my money, but
You need to get a drink.
okay.
You can get a big bag of chips.
What, are you gonna pay for my drink stuff? Okay.
No, you're good. No, you're gonna pay for that.
Yeah, for this. You're gonna
Greg's,
pay for my
Uncle
drink.
Greg's gonna pay for a drink.
Yeah. So what drink you got here?
Wait, no, that's.
Yeah, you can grab
Crush.
that.
You got Crush Orange.
Whichever you want. You want those?
Are they chocolate covered or something?
It's got popcorn and pretzels, I think.
And covered with chocolate?
Yep, covered in
These are
chocolate.
Snacks, right?
I'll give my.
No, this is what we're eating.
Oh, this is what
I'm
we're.
telling you the truth.
I'm gonna get something to drink now.
I want a corn dog.
What do you want, Chinte?
I'm looking to see.
I want a corn dog too.
You gonna share your chips?
Yeah, he's gonna try.
I'll share
I'll
my.
share these. I want to
I'll
share
share
What
my
do you
chips
want to
ahoy.
drink, buddy?
I'll share
There's
my
a
chips
beer over there.
ahoy.
over there. Here.
Here.
How much money are the Funyuns? Oh wait, not good.
I got my trusty old Gatorade. Sure.
Like he's been shopping for years.
That much.
Trusty old Gatorade.
What do you do?
Those corn dogs.
Corn dogs. Oh wait, look, there's some chicken strips.
Those poppers?
Yeah, you have to.
Only thing we have is chicken strips.
Oh, potatoes just came out.
Potatoes this kilo?
Can we get some chicken strips and some potatoes
I think so.
for each one of us? Or real?
We'll see how they sell them. Here, give me the.
Drink. Because I won't have enough to buy chicken. I'll have enough to drink.
Shake, let's start paying for that.
Do you sell the chicken strips like as a combo or?
We do.
Okay. How much is it for the combo? What do you get? 864. Okay. How many strips do you get?
2.
2. And JoJo's, right?
Yeah.
We don't deliver.
Ustedes se van a comer uno cada uno.
No.
So 3.
No.
Yeah.
Let me get 3 combos in and 4 corn dogs.
Right, I'm good, but I gotta watch the door.
Huh?
They're gonna pay. We're still not done.
What?
He's busy over there.
Huh?
He's still not done over here. So let's just
Are we gonna get some corn dogs?
Break it up, I can't
I
hear you.
think I'll go grab some corners. Huh?
Yeah, I got corn dogs. Uno para cada quien.
Is that all we're doing for us?
Yes.
Are they messing with you, Russ?
Get the jalapeno ranch.
John Deere.
Oh,
$7.97. You ain't get that.
$7.97.
I don't have the sense.
I ain't
Hey,
coming to
you
get
didn't
out
math
of
it
here.
right. Okay, go ahead and pay it.
A couple of cents.
No, no.
Hopefully.
No, not at all.
Oh, dang, dude. Give him your bills first.
I'm gonna have the sheriff bring it to you.
Got the corn.
Oh, I only have $5.
What do
Are
you
you
want?
killing me right now, dude? Here,
I know that.
Put that back in your pocket.
Okay.
This
Dang.
became the community snack.
Oh,
Well, that's not our fault. Okay.
What happened?
hey.
I thought you math right. Thank you, sir.
I had just $7, alright?
Bro, I
Next
could
time-
have paid up with you.
Next time you gotta verify. You know that. Wasn't that embarrassing?
Yes!
You have to make sure you have it. Next time I'm not gonna be around. Then what are you gonna do?
Huh?
The next time I'm not gonna be around, then what are you gonna do?
Cry.
All in front of that.
So, sandwiches so good, they'll make your ex jealous.
Where does it say that?
It's behind there.
They'll make your ex jealous.
Jealous.
I mean, it's jealous.
Yeah, I said jealous.
You know you did it. Yeah.
What do you
Were these fresh out of the oven?
Yep.
Oh my god.
How them JoJo's?
you spend? Good.
How the JoJo's?
Good.
Would come again?
Huh?
Would you come again
Yeah.
to this place?
What?
Would you come again to this place?
Yeah.
¿Los dio toditos? No.
No.
Only if you had the money for it.
I was wishing you would have. Yeah. Maybe we can do like climbing.
No, we're gonna just go walk along the side, and then we're gonna go.
Then we're gonna go to that
you already use your restroom?
Did you take a dump at me?
No, there's like huge scrape against a freaking group on the back. So they supported it.
So check it out, Emmy. You see all those lines? You see how high it goes all the way up there?
Yeah.
That's
backboarded the fuck out of that toilet.
that's where the water used to. That's where the water used to reach.
Jeez.
That's why it kept draining and draining. That's why it kept wiping away. Let's read.
Is that?
Yep. Lava rock.
Dude.
Point and the
Native.
native people who have gone before and continued today.
Good job,
It shows a little face in.
yeah, those are real life right over here.
Oh, this is where you can sign your name. Tell them you're a visitor.
Okay, when we sign our names, we're letting them know that we are actually visiting this place. So it helps them with money. So put your name right there.
I'm checking the next place over. So this has been up for thousands of years?
Yep.
Oh.
See how it used to be really deep?
I saw for thousands of years. There's like ancient writing on it.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna go look at that right now.
Yeah, you don't peek.
Why?
So it could be a surprise.
I already saw it.
Eh? Yeah.
Nope.
Where's the writing?
So you gonna sign your name?
Cause I'm signing your name so that you can help him get some money, bud.
You see all the little holes, guys?
Yeah.
Birds,
I was looking at those.
birds live in those holes.
Where's this? Whoa.
I wish I could just come up to it and just touch it. What?
There's
Stupid
fence.
fence. What's the fence?
You know, this Chintu, we gotta make money on it.
No, yeah.
We gotta put money on it.
What?
Like, why did they put the fence right here?
So that people don't touch it because it erodes stuff. Like, so even people just touching it like this, a simple touch, will erode. It'll make it not be preserved anymore. And we're gonna go see the petroglyphs. They're over there on that side. So if everybody comes by and touches the petroglyphs, then they'll disappear. You know what I'm saying? And we don't want them to disappear, so that we put a fence up so that it can be preserved.
So this has been up in the
You want to
ancient
touch the side
times.
of the mountain? You want to touch it? Come on, you want to touch it?
I don't want to.
That's okay, we can touch it over here on this side. We could actually go on that mountain if we wanted to. The trailhead's over there.
Huh?
The trail side is over there.
If you guys want to climb this mountain, then climb that one.
You guys can touch it. Look. This is all new writing. People that have come here have done writings. These are new, modern writings.
Like
All
so.
this.
So anything that you can read is not ancient.
Yeah.
But check this out.
Can't read.
See, like this?
1960.
Those are all ancient right there.
Like this is all ancient stuff.
You want to
This-
touch it?
Look,
Thousands.
1999.
You right here.
Look,
Yeah, somebody did 1999 right there.
1990, 1960.
This is why we can't have nice things sometimes.
Look at that.
Look straight up. It's crazy, huh? Look straight up back here a little bit. Look.
Look. This dude is 14 when he carved into here.
How do they carve it?
They use special things.
It's really cool, Chenta.
Busy, bud. Do you want to check it out? We're checking it out right now.
What's up? Yeah.
Yo, guys. Look, right there.
Yeah.
Look right here. I can't touch this because this is ancient.
Is it that?
You see that one way up there?
Whoa.
Dude,
I want to climb that.
that looks so cool.
They were drunk when they drove?
No, I said I hadn't drunk.
Oh.
Oh, this is different.
Maybe just kind of different points.
I don't see it though. You read it, it's completely gone.
Right there on the side.
Yeah. There's cooler ones way over here. Right here a little bit.
I can't find the power right in.
Straight ahead, look. Couple little galleys there.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, is this heavy?
People obsessed with those tentacles who have full eyes that are black and white, and then they have like eyes. Oh, I see one right there.
This is a lava rock.
Come on to the.
Hey, stop pulling on it.
Come on to the.
Made it to home base.
Should go forward a little bit more, huh?
That's what I found laying on the floor.
What'd you find? A penny, Mom. Were you rich?
Yeah, I'm rich. I'm rich.
I'm almost wanting to put it right on. Time, but it sounds healthy. I like the pop sound. Oh yeah, fuck yeah.
Solo otro güey no se ve ni
It's a funny joke that I like to say.
Like with that the guy pulled that.
I know what's wrong with it. It got no gas in it. I know what's wrong with it. It got no gas in it.
Anything? See anything wrong here? Please type that down inside of the comment section, please. Because if like we're not able to get this bad boy to start up, that means something's wrong, and we're gonna have to figure that out. And hopefully you guys know something that's wrong. If it is,
right about there, it's where it should be.
yeah. Otra vez.
Go ahead.
Nothing wrong. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with this. So what do you have to say about this, Dad?
I'd say I want a beer. If I was 5 years ago. But today, I just want a green tea with some monks.
Hard kombucha.
Like, what do you say about how this truck is starting up, and how do you think about the engine?
I think it's gonna be solid.
Solid? What about you, Uncle?
We're gonna do burnouts.
Okay.
Have to look for another transmission.
We're gonna do the new transmission?
It don't smell too toasty.
Huh?
It don't smell too toasty.
Alrighty. So, today has been a really good day, honestly. Pretty decent day. It was a pretty fun trip heading around the place. Checking out the the petroglyphs over out in...
Talking to it though.
Huh?
Turn it around. Turn it around. And
So,
there you go.
we basically went to the petroglyphs and over at Tule Lake, where all the way in California, and then we stopped by a gas station, and it was called the Red Barn. So like, if you're interested in those two places, visit them. They're pretty good places.
What did the Red Barn have?
Oh, so the Red Barn had some snacks, gas, some other stuff.
Well, make sure you're in the camera.
Some other stuff, yeah. But this trip was fun. Like, really fun. So if you're ever thinking about visiting somewhere that's pretty cool, I'd suggest the pyroglyphs?
Petro.
Oh, I suggest the petroglyphs over inside Tule Lake,
Lava Beds National Park.
over at Lava Beds National Park, out in California. So, hopefully you guys like this video. I'm not even sure if this is the end, but like, hopefully you guys do like the video.
Sign off, baby. Wait, do I sign off?
Huh?
Until next time, you know?
Oh, until next time, I'll see you later.